In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Einstein in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just stepping into the incredible world of customer relationship management, this walkthrough will smooth out any bumps on the road and help you harness the power of Einstein. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently navigating through Salesforce's AI features, ready to enhance your team's productivity and decision making. Let's dive right in by heading over to the Salesforce website. Once you're there, take a moment to scan the top right corner of the home page. You should see the login area inviting you to start. Hover your cursor there and click on the login button. After navigating to the login page, you'll want to select Salesforce from the available options, which directs you to the specific login portal for Salesforce services. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials handy because you'll need them to access all the fantastic features we're about to explore. Once logged in, we can move on. From the home screen in your Salesforce account, pay attention to the top right corner. This area houses the quick settings, your go-to spot for making quick navigation adjustments. Click on this icon and you will see an option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Click on it to open a wide array of settings at your disposal. In this new window, you'll see a search bar labeled Quick Find. Type in the word Einstein. This search functionality allows you to swiftly locate what you're looking for without scrolling through endless menus. As you type, you should see a list of options appear, and among them will be Einstein Setup. Go ahead and click on Einstein Setup. We are getting close to unlocking Einstein's full potential. Here's where the magic begins. You're now in the Einstein Setup section. Each feature is designed with a specific purpose to help your business make data-driven decisions. Right in front of you should be a toggle option to turn on Einstein. Activate it by clicking the switch. This action is crucial because it sets everything in motion, enabling the AI features you'll need to make insightful decisions. And there you have it, your Einstein is now up and running, ready to support your Salesforce experience with advanced AI capabilities. Feel empowered to explore the various features, and don't be afraid to experiment and see how Einstein can best serve your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial demystifies the initial setup and gets you started with using Einstein to its fullest potential. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to maximize your use of Salesforce. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.